Nagtataka po kayo, bakit nauna yung host, wala pa yung couple? No? Because the couple would want us to have some fun first, shake our nerves, so that when we get back here, tayo po ay energized na at masaya na. Okay po ba yun? Parang kulang yung kinain ni Sir. Gusto ata ng kanin. Okay po ba yun? Alright. So katulad ng ginawa ko kanina, no, even though I am really not a good singer, I really tried my best to sing wholeheartedly. And we are going to play a game. This is our pre-reception game and we call it Name That Tune. Alright? So we are going to play some first part of the songs. And if you know the song, you have to come here in front and tell me what is the title of the song. Kung tama po ang title ng ibibigay ninyo, you are going to receive special prizes from our couple. Okay. Sino po ba dito yung mahilig kumanta? Kahit ayaw sa kanya ng kanta. Ayaw niyong umamin na, umanda kayo sa akin mamaya. Alam niyo, bago po tayo mag-start, I'm very excited to host this event. Why? Because half of the people here are part of the work or office that where Van and I are working. Para po ako nag-host ng Christmas party ng Manila Titana Colleges. Kalahati po ng bisita, kilala po ako, kilala ko sila. Yun lang po, ang sabi ko sa kanila, because today I am not part of the school, good luck. Tatawagin ko po silang lahat mamaya. The joke lang. Alright, sige, let's start our game number 1.